Hello everyone, today I will show you how to run an HTTP server in just 2 seconds. So as you can see right now I'm logged in my another local server which is ifconfig IP address is 192.168.0.120. This is my local server IP address and my server path is current path is root. Okay, or you can go any directories so can so now my current path is home. So you can run this command anywhere. You don't need to go particular folder. You can run this server anywhere. Okay, now what is the command actually? Python 3. Yes, Python is so powerful, it can do anything. M http dot server, and you can put any port number. If you want to use port 80, you can do that. If you want to use port 8080, also you can do that. Now you just need to hit the enter and it's running just like that. And now you have to check that it's working or not. Type 192.168.120 and 8080, and I think it's working. Yes, should be. Not working. Let me just open from incognito. 192.168.120.8080. No, it's not working. Why? Oops, something wrong maybe. Okay, okay, no problem. Just hit the Control C again. Control C, Control C. As you can see, try to access. This is my laptop IP address 105 and server IP address is 120. Right here it is 120 server IP address, and my laptop IP address is 105. And something just happened. Okay, let's run this command again. Now this time I will change the port. You can run in the same port, but now I will check with a different port 8081. Okay, hit the enter, and 192.168.120 colon 8081. Hit the enter. Yes, it's working. Oh no. Oh, I already got so many access log. It's looking for something. That 404 not found. 404 not found. I think it's reading all the directory list. That's why it's taking time. Nothing else. If you run an empty port or there's have some mm, few files, it will work fast. Because in this home folder I have so many files and folders. That's why it's taking time. Nothing else. Okay. It's still working. As you can see, my laptop IP is 105. So now Control C. Let's go to a different folder. Let's create a folder first. mkdir and map like web, whatever it is, web cd web, and now create a file. Touch download .txt. Okay, now in this directory, in this web directory, I have a download.txt file. Now let's run this command again. Okay, now let's see what happened. See, it's just take over just 1 second because my in a home directory I have so many files. So first it's read all the files and folders, then it's open. But now the web folder is empty, so that's why it just open in just 1 microsecond. And also you can download this file like that. Hit enter, and because this is a text file, so you can read it here. Let's see what happen if I type something. For that I need to open a new server ent. Okay, let's go to home. Sorry, home. Okay, web. And now there's something like this is test download. Okay, now let's see. See, now you can read the message here. So that's it, guys. uh, so this is how we can run a HTTP server in a single command. Thank you. Bye.